What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am your girl, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world. Today, guys, we have Glossy Box for September. I'm so excited to get into this box and see what we got. So if you guys want to see what's in Glossy Box, stay tuned, boo. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Y'all know I love chit-chatting it up. What's up, loves? Welcome. I'm TonyaNicole, and you have now entered into TonyaNicole zone. We have Glossy Box for the month of September, guys, that we're going to get into shortly. Before I do that, I want to send a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you, my loves, for rocking with your girl early. I greatly appreciate you all. For my drink today, guys, I'm drinking some Moscato out of this little wine cup. So let's take a dance break and a drink break. We're going to get to some specs on Glossy Box, and then we're about to bust this baby open. So y'all ready? Let's go. So my loves, Glossy Box is a beauty and lifestyle subscription. This one is a monthly sub, guys, and it's $21 per month. And you're supposed to get 5 deluxe or full-size products in this box here. If you use the code Tonya, you will get 21% off. Yes, I said it, 21% off. Use that code, boo, get you some money off. Yes. So we're excited to see what I got. So without further ado, let's get this thing opened. Now, one thing that I do love about Glossy Box is the box that it comes in. Like the hard box here. It's so cute. Oh, I got it upside down. So cute, so like sleek, so stylish. It's hard, so you can do a lot of things with it. And yeah, I got a lot of stuff to put in these boxes. So pull it up like that. Oh, look at the inside, guys. This is what it looks like on the inside. It gives you a little wine deal, I guess, to save some money off of some wine. We always get this little brochure here that lets us know every product we receive, as well as the prices. And y'all know I'm gonna put them down below. So let's unwrap her. Ooh, well, let's just pull her out then. I guess that's, she excited to get out. Y'all see I bought honey back, huh? What y'all think? I'm kind of feeling honey today. Ooh. So first product that I'm gonna pull out is from Daily Concepts, and this is a daily beauty headband. Okay, cool. This is a pink one right here, guys. And you can use this just to basically take your hair off your face when you're doing your makeup or skincare or when you're doing facials. Also, it absorbs any extra moisture that you may have on your head. Like me, when I'm filming, I'm always sweaty. So I might have to wear these when I'm filming. I don't know, guys. But you do get one headband in here, and I do like this. I do have a couple of these. So I won't open this one. I'm going to put it in a giveaway. And this, my loves, retails for 12 buckaroos. Okay. Next product is from Codex. And this is Codex Beauty Exfoliating Wash. That's what it looks like right here. This is a deluxe size, guys. You get 1.2 fluid ounces of product in here. And let's see what this says. This is a exfoliating wash. It's a face wash that lightly exfoliates and tones the skin, making it gentle enough for daily use. They have products in here that provides non-irritating properties, as well as it helps to clear your pores and any impurities that you may have. And this, guys, is the deluxe size, and it retails for $18. The full size is 45 bucks. So yes, this is what it looks like right here. If it has a safety seal, I won't open it up. Oh, it doesn't. Oh, well, it did have a seal. I'm sorry. I just popped it. So much for that, right? That's what it looks like, guys. It's just a squeezy tube. I'm gonna squeeze some out. And that's what it looks like right there. And oh, okay, so I do feel like those little grains. I call them salt grains or sugar grains, I guess, yeah. And that's how it looks when I'm blending it out. It does not feel harsh at all, guys. I mean, look at my hand. You can see them on there, but it does not feel harsh, like it's gonna, you know, rip at my face and all of that. So I'm happy for this. Okay. So this one is $18. Full size would be 45 bucks. Next product we have is, I'm not sure. What is this? This is from, I don't know how to pronounce the name of the company. So I'm going to put her right across the front right there. I guess it's French. I'm not sure. It's a cosmetics company, and this is a Magic Jade Roller. Okay, cool. That's what the box looks like right there, my loves. And let's see. Oh, okay. It's a little full size. Oh, it feels kind of heavy. It's a jade roller. And this is the Jade Roller. It's a skincare lover's quick fix as well as a long-term investment for improving elasticity. I always struggle with that word. Radiance, reducing fine lines, and combating puffiness. After you moisturize, you're going to spend 10 minutes rolling this on the sides of your mouth to your ear using the handle for your nose and under eyes area. Okay, combine it with a sheet mask or leave it in the fridge for extra soothing effect. And this retails for $21. All right, I never was a big fan of these, but I got a roller in my BoxyCharm Premium that I'm gonna use for my shoulders, so I'll use this one on my face. So, okay, cool. I like that. Next product is from Vitamask, and this is the Ruby Sheet Mask right here. Recharge mind and restore skin, made with ruby stone powder and goji batteries, girl. Goji berries. I'm gonna put it, girl, any word I can't pronounce, y'all, from now on, I'm just gonna put it across the screen because I'm not gonna embarrass myself. So it says it's a 4-in-1 gemstone therapy, aromatherapy, skin therapy, and color therapy. So this is a new generation Korean face mask. So you're gonna put this mask on for 20 minutes. And this one mask right here is gonna retail us for $7. Next product is from Miss Flower and Mr. Honey. It's a cream. That's what the outside packaging is looking like, my love. So this is the ultimate power couple in a jar. This blend of royal jelly and yellow flower is soothing and nourishing. It provides moisture while also recharging and rejuvenating distressed skin. So you're gonna gently apply this to your face in the morning and evening, or you can do both. Okay, and it also doubles as a great makeup primer. Like I said, this one is deluxe size and it's worth $6. For the full size, it's $42. And let's see. When we open it, that's what it looks like in the inside. It has no smell, and you get 10 mils of product in here. Okay, this is nice. So it's a moisturizer for your skin. Okay. Doesn't have a smell, but look at that. It looks very nice on my hand, very hydrating. I do like this. And we have one more product, my loves, and this one is from Breakout. Let me see what it says on here. Hold on. So this is from Rosen Skincare. This is the Breakout Spot Treatment. Okay, so I do need this because during the time of the month, girl, I just start breaking out something wicked underneath here so I could spot treat with this. And this is the full size. Get 0.33 ounces of product or 11 milliliters of product in here. And it says with peppermint oil acting as an antimicrobial for large and active bumps, this spot treatment is the perfect solution for those annoying and sometimes painful breakouts. Cool. So you're going to apply a small amount directly on the pimple, ensuring no skin is visible under the treatment. You're going to leave it on overnight for best results. And this, guys, retails for 12 buckaroos. Okay, let's smell it because I am going to use this. Ooh, it does smell very like pepperminty. That's the applicator right there. Okay, I can use this on those breakouts during that time of month, so I'm happy for this. That was my final product in GLOSSYBOX for this month. Let's quickly recap, do final thoughts, and we'll be done. Let me take a drink first. So we got this breakout fixer right here from Vitamask, this Ruby Sheet Mask, this Magic Jade Roller, Mrs. Flower and Mr. Honey Cream right here, from Codex Beauty, this exfoliating wash. And lastly, from Daily Concept, this headband. So that is 6 products we received this month. So final thoughts. Final thoughts on this box is, you guys know that I am a makeup junkie at heart, But every once in a while, I don't mind getting skincare because, I'm getting a little seasoned, y'all. So you need help sometimes with your skin. So I don't mind getting skincare. With that being said, I do think that this box gave us a whole night of like facial and self-care in just one box. We got a headband to help pull our hair back when we're doing our exfoliating wash and then moisturizing. Then they gave us a sheet mask to put on after that with the jade roller to roll it out and massage it into your skin. And if you're having issues with like that time of the month like I am, boom, you put your breakout cream on and you go to bed. You wake up and your face and your skin is new. Yes, baby, I like that. Now, let me know what you guys think about the price being $21 a month and you get deluxe and full-size products. I know that's the issue right now for Allure, who just increased their price from $15 to $23, that people are complaining they want all full-size products. Do you think that we need all full-size products in GLOSSYBOX? Let me know your input down below. So guys, if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn woods! To 5 being this box is a bomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying? We're going to give GLOSSYBOX for the month of September a whopping 3. I do wish with this sub, though, that this was like, some of their products are like super sample size. I do want, maybe more full-size products so that I can get at least 2 to 3 uses out of this. So don't forget, guys, if you use the code Tonya, you can get 21% off of this box. So to make it way cheaper, boo. Yes. If you have not done so already, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and be a part of my family. Also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, guys. All of those links are down below. GLOSSYBOX's link will be down below. And that's it. Give it a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe. That's it. I'm going to go finish my wine and relax and put on my face mask with my jade roller. See y'all later. Bye.